Hey everyone, Eric with Rockin' H, and in this video we're going to make a portable paint stand. Now you might be asking, Eric, why do you need that? Well, if you look over here, and you may not be able to see it real well in this camera shot, but that's where I do all my painting and everything. And what I really want to do is be able to have another layout, like a mini layout for just a project I want to do just for me. But I got to get all that moved, and I need it on something that I can move around because I am slowly working my way out of space here in the lab. So the idea here is I bought a portable, it's just a service cart is what it says on the box from Harbor Freight. It cost $69 because I got the one with just slightly larger wheels and it's got an extra shelf. And that's going to be my new painting cart, and I want it on wheels so I can roll it around, get it in and out of my way as I need to. So we're going to put that together and then we'll see how it works. All right, let's get going. do at the moment is I just keep an old rag. That way I can mix paint here, and then, you know, if I make a mess, it gets on the rag. Because I am, as you can see, prone to making messes here. And if you've watched my live videos, you know well, I'm good at that. Anyways, I just kind of leave some of these parts for the airbrush right here. Then I usually have cups and some odd paints. This is for the brush when I keep it, when I have the cup full of paint or I'm cleaning it, I can blow it out in here. And then all the paint fumes are kind of filtered there. Then I've got my reducer, which can go on a shelf. I keep a stir stick, which is an old screwdriver. The Molotow could actually just park right there, and then the reducer can go down below along with these. And that way I get a nice clean surface. Now what will I do here? Okay, so my goal here is I'm going to give this away, because this was a, I bought this thinking this was the greatest thing in the world. It's not. It's a LED photo booth. So you can put your models, different things in there for taking nice pictures of, for websites, you know, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, I don't like it, so I'm going to give it away to a friend. And then my plan is to move the layout all the way back so it's out of the way. And then I want to put another mini layout kind of up front, just something to take photos of, and then I can still not use up all my space, which is kind of what I'm after. So as you can see, like I said at the beginning of this video, I am growing, and the growing pains of that are this place is getting small. I had a friend stop by over the weekend, and he says, why don't you buy another small garden shed, and another shed, you know, a smaller one, just to put, like, on the other side of this wall is like lawnmower, bicycles, garden equipment, stuff like that. All that could go in another building, and then I take down my wall, and then Rockin' H just grows right over to the other end of the building. I'd gain another 120 square feet, which would make a huge difference, especially as I begin collecting more of these types of things. Not collecting, I'm selling trailers and just miscellaneous things. Anyhow, so that's what's going on. Thanks for joining me on the journey. This is going to be, I think, a handy deal. You can already see I like it because I can move it. And that is going to be nice. And then, like I said, I can put up another layout, which is really what I want to do, because that's just good fun, right? Okay, thanks for watching. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe to Diecast Lab. That's where you can learn everything that goes on here. I leave no stone unturned, from 3D printing to painting to doing replicas. It's all right there at diecastlab.com. Give it a try. We'll see ya.